Umitri rong ba ka Jylla ukonrat ke sang mau la yo ban Plie yang mau Nongrim Naka bynta ban shna Thymmai no ya ka Ophis CNRD block ha Nongstoin. Ya kate ka jingalang Plie mau Nongrim ka balalong Havanis Hall Pendeng Rei laya don lang ru umitri badai pet ya katrat CNRD uba Hamlet Son Doling u MLA ka Nongstoin uba Macmillan Bersat ki officer sarkar bat kiwei. Ya kate ka office Thymmai jong ka Nongstoin CNRD block ka bala tibru kum ka integrated block development complex lamang hadu lai klur tengkam. Hagan sngi la yo ruban sami ki check sheki nong rap din lengba ki oysters mushroom but kumju sheki nong penmi marap lengba ka focus.
So apart from these large infrastructural road projects, this project today that we have laid the foundation stone for the new block office is another example of how we are stressing on infrastructure. When we came to the government, we realized that 70% of the services given to the common man is done through the block offices. And if you go throughout the state, you will see that 99% of the block offices are in no shape to give service to the people. They have been built 50 years back, some of them, and they've never been repaired. And there itself, people are expected to get the service and officers expected to work. It is really actually a shame, I should say, that we have not been able to do this for so long. And that's the reason why, with the CNRD minister, we had a very crucial meeting. We sat down, we decided that we are going to take up, and all the 46 blocks, 6 blocks we have already sanctioned, work is started, because these were the new blocks that were allotted. But then we have come up with the second phase where 40 blocks at the expenditure of 3 crores each. That means 120 crores will be spent to build new block offices in every single block in the state.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.